giving more examples. Whatever you need, that all the examples are giving practically. Why I am giving the practically? We should write in that way. Okay, this is the project report writing. Is one type of store writing only. Okay, this is the one type of life planning. With the help of this, we are going to do number of things. Wherever you go, they will be asking a report. Wherever you go, suppose we go for station also, police station, they will be asking a report. What do you want? You must write in a letter format. Suppose you are going for an interview. Okay, not for the purpose of job, for getting some contracts. What will be asking? They will be asking a report. Suppose you are to take some contracts in government activities. What they will be asking? They will be asking your proposals in the form of a report. Everything is based on this only. Don't think about only academic project reports. Wherever we go, suppose if you want to go, suppose if you are going for railway station for reservation, what they are giving? They are giving one form. That's also one type of report. Though they will make an information system, they will be using that as a report only. Okay, for their information. Suppose if you are going for a bank, what they are doing? They are giving salon. That's also one type of report. For whom? For you as well as for the bank purpose. Why they are giving salon? Why not you directly go and deposit? Now ATM machines are there. Even then, the ATM machine, though you deposit the amount to ATM machine, that will be giving one salon, one report will be there. How much you are depositing, or else it will be showing in the screen. Okay, what else are showing in the screen, that will be getting printed automatically in the bank. Okay, why? They need to do some cancellations. They want to do some consultations. Okay, today how much persons have come, how many customers have come, what people have done, how many withdrawals have been taken, okay, how many have deposited, how many have some sort of loan, okay, which can be sanctioned, which cannot be sanctioned, everything. Okay, everything is based on report only. Yes. So for this purpose, some other while going for academic, where will be mentioning academic in the case for preparing your project report, for writing a book, or writing an article. In the case we are going for acknowledgement. In acknowledgement, whatever will be adding in acknowledgement, we should know the understanding, we should know the meaning of the acknowledgement. You want to send a post to one person, okay, so that we should come to know that whether the person got the letter or not, whether the person got the post or not. So what will be doing in the existing reports, existing letter? We will be just attaching acknowledgement card. How many of you know about acknowledgement card? Yes or no? How many of you know acknowledgement? Have you seen acknowledgement card in post office? Nowadays we are not adding that acknowledgement. Before sending to this, what we will be doing is, suppose we want to send any resin to anybody, or if you want to send anything else, what we will be doing is we will be adding acknowledgement not along with that. Okay, suppose if the letter is received by that person, automatically we will be receiving the acknowledgement card, so that we can consider that the letter has reached safely. The person got it. Suppose any court-related activities, that's a compulsory. Some police report activities, that's compulsory. Okay, some treasury related. Treasury means what? That will be talking about only financial activities. Treasury, the treasury will be giving money for a salary to the employees of government. Okay, in that case, in all, they will be acknowledging. Suppose we are going for a bank also, first we want to put the entry. They should come to know that how many persons have come into the bank. Suppose anything is lost, or suppose anything is missing, they will be calling. Okay, your mobile number will be there. Okay, suppose if you are going for any admissions to any college, also immediately what they are asking, they will be entering your name, your details, everything. That will be considered as a report for them. Yes, these are the things. So in the acknowledgement, we should understand what is acknowledgement. In this article, in acknowledgement, Kuandal have read. Kuandal is giving some appreciations. Everything will be entered in the acknowledgement part. In our academic related, in book or journals or any research articles, in that case, in the page of acknowledgement, we will be acknowledging. Okay, he will be saying thanks to the person who has supported you. They will be saying thanks to the person who has supported you. In that acknowledgement, number of scientists may come, number of senior professors may come, okay, number of government officials may come, number of IAS officers may come, number of IPS officers may come, okay, number of statistical information activities related persons may come, somewhat research oriented activities persons will be coming. Everything will be acknowledging in the acknowledgement part of the article or the book. Okay, next one, abstract. Everything you have seen. Already I show my article to you. What does that abstract show? 8 to 10 pages. Okay, so I am saying simply in abstract part. The journal, yes, the journal has intimated us, they have given instructions that abstract should not exceed 150 to 200 words. Okay, you can have 8 pages to 8 pages. You can have at least 8 pages. Suppose if you want to include the 9th page, they will be charging for that particular page 8 plus 1. Okay, they will be charging some $25. They will be charging some $25. They are giving instructions. Okay, in the abstract part, we can have only 150 to 200 words. That means coming around some 10 sentences. Okay, 10 sentences. Suppose if it exceeds 200, okay, they may reject the article. Okay, similarly, if you want to add some more details, in the name of keywords, you can do. In the name of keywords, you can enter. Suppose if this article is saying about the artificial intelligence, you can do these keywords for artificial intelligence. Okay, something that is saying about deep learning, you can say deep learning. Suppose if that article is saying about image processing, you can mention that image processing. This is a very interesting. You are going to write. Suppose you may be a professor in future. In that case, no one will come and say like this. Okay, you can have this type of experience. Okay, that's only I am just saying for you keywords. In case you can use that keywords also they are mentioning. You can't give more than 5 to 6 words. Okay, the abstract part they are saying 150 to 200 words. Okay, suppose if it goes beyond that means that is getting rejected. Similarly, keywords can be 5 to 6 words. If you are increasing the keywords based on your interest, you may think that, okay, suppose if we give more keywords, the person is reading my article, there also is getting rejected. Okay, you should give, so you should think very, very keenly and very, very interestingly, you should give the words there, keywords. Okay, how the person will be useful by this article, by your journal. Suppose if they cite your journal or your articles, you will be appreciated. Okay, in some sense you are getting some appreciations from different places, from different persons. Okay, this is not there. Similarly, it will be indexed in different areas, in different articles. Okay, that will be saying in much index. Okay, so we will be learning. Suppose if you are interested to publish in the papers, I can help that also. Okay, next one, abstract what you have given. Similarly, next introduction part what? Introduction part already you have seen. In introduction what you have given. Why I am taking this part means you are going to do all this in the funding information, sir. There should be some acknowledgement. Okay, person is giving some money means he should believe your project. Yes or no? Suppose if you want to give some 1 lakh rupees to one person for doing any project, I should believe this project. Okay, who would not have supported this? So by seeing this acknowledgement, I will come to know. By seeing this acknowledgement, I can come to know that okay, these are all persons have supported, has appreciated this project. Based on that, one good information he has got for giving the money for that project. Okay, he is interested, he may interest. Okay, next one was abstract part. What is saying about what topic that says. About what topic that says. By seeing this topic, suppose if I give financial, if I give funding details or funding for this project, whether this will be useful for us, whether this project will be useful for our company, whether this project will be useful for our organizations, whether this project will be useful for our branches. That one company can have a number of branches. With the help of one product, they will be just utilizing for all the branches. So for them it is very good investment. Okay, in that manner only they will be thinking. So first one they will be thinking about the accountant who has supported, who has get this article, in what way it is supporting to our branch or our company or our research-oriented activities. Next one, abstract by seeing on this topic they are going to do. Okay, similarly what progress, what discussions and results are there, what are the statistical information included in this, everything will be coming in the abstract part. Okay, so what is acknowledgements, second one abstract, then third one is introduction. Introduction you are going to see. What you are going to see there, you have read number of articles, I have seen these number of articles, similarly in that cases you are not getting that much accuracy, you are not getting that much precision. Okay, in my project, in my article, I have done the research and I am getting good accuracy comparing with existing projects, comparing with existing articles, comparing with existing research-oriented activities. You should mention that at all. Yes, for that purpose only we are giving some information in the introduction. So in the introduction part, you should cite that. Okay, what are the articles you have read? Similarly, what they are given. Similarly, you have to give that discussions in the reference parts. Whatever you have read, whatever you have seen in the different articles or magazines, that should be given in the reference part. That is the last page. Reference. Okay, in the reference sections, you can give these details. Okay, I have read this so and so articles, by so and so authors. Okay, in that also the person who is interested, who is going to give the funding details, who is going to aid the fund, he will be going and see these reference articles. Okay, whether it's true or not. Simply you can't refer here. Simply you can't give reference parts. Okay, so we are going for, we are seeking any funding from different companies, we will be checking all these. So we should write all these information. They are going to be reference, the inclusion of reference. Okay. Okay, now I think you understood the funding information. Now let us go to an example. Okay, now you know when and where, how a company can be giving funding information. Now take one project. You are going to do one project. You need some funding information. You need some fund. Okay, let us take your education purpose. Now you are doing BE. Okay, 3 years you have completed. Final year you want to complete. Final year you want to pay the fees. Okay, now you are in a critical situation. You are not able to pay the fees. So what you will be doing? You will be approaching different banks. Yes or no? You will be approaching different banks. You want to get final year fees from the bank. So what you should do? You can interact with me. What you will be doing? I hope you can understand English. Yes? Do you understand my English? Understood or not? Yes. What I want to say in Tamil? Okay. You see, 3 years you have completed. Final year you are not having fund. You are not having money to pay fees. So just you are going to the bank and you are approaching the bank manager for the final year or saying everything. What the bank manager is asking. Anybody's father is working in bank? Anyone's father is working in bank or not? Yes. Collateral, okay. They are asking collateral, okay. Before that, what you doing? Okay, that is for security purpose. Okay, whatever you say, that is good. Very good. That is for security purpose. Now you are not for the education loan, no need to give any security. First of all, you should understand that. You may be wealthy, no problem, but you can get loan. That is not based on the education. The education loan is not based on wealthy. Okay, you are having all rights to get the loan for your education purpose. Suppose if you are not used for this, you can use it for or utilize it for your higher studies. Even for abroad, they are getting you without security up to 50 lakhs. Yes, you should be aware of that and all. Okay. Why I am saying means no one is aware of this. Okay, now let us come to the point. Now final year you need, before that what you are talking to the bank manager, what will be asking you? He will be asking, okay, your background. First of all, he wants to know about your background. Okay, next what he will be doing about your education. Okay, all 3 years you have completed. Okay, what about the result for the last 3 years? Okay, suppose if you are having arrears, suppose if you are not completed arrears, that goes with what you will be doing. First, what you will be thinking, whether we should use loan or not. Okay, one question is coming. Okay, this person is not studying well. Okay, when he is going to complete and when he is going to be paid, he may get or not. He may get the same thing. Okay, suppose you are giving some money, you are lending some money to someone, means what will you see? Whether that person can repay it again or not. Yes, you are giving some 100 rupees to your friend. Okay, you are wealthy, okay, no problem. You are giving some 100, you are lending some 100 rupees to your friend. What your mind will think? When she is going to give that money? Okay, you are not giving simply. Some purpose you are giving. Okay, then your mind whether she is having capacity to repay. Yes or no? It's a general thing. You understand what I am saying? Suppose if you want to give, you are giving some 100 rupees to your friend. You are giving 100 rupees to your friend. Yes? What will you be asking when you give that 100 rupees? When you will give this money to me? Yes or no? Well, you are giving 200 rupees to your name is Mukesh. Yes, next name Vijay. Mukesh is giving 100 rupees to Vijay. Okay. What is you will ask when you will give back this money? Yes or no? Next, in the beginning, okay, he is saying okay, tomorrow you will have tomorrow bring back, okay, you will give it. But he is giving capacity. Whether he can give, from whom he will be getting an idea. Whether he is giving capacity, bank will be also asking, suppose you are going for getting a loan for 2 lakhs, they will be asking, okay, how can you repay? In case of education, that is security. Educational is the security. Education, whatever you have, whatever the course you have passed, that only gives the security for that. Yes or no? If you have passed all the subjects similarly, the bank manager will be very much interested to you, loan to you. But it's already 3 years completed. Already 3 years completed, you are having good percentage. You are having good percentage. I don't know why I am calling okay. Similarly, you will be just sanctioning. Okay, he or she is good in studies. Okay, we can give this loan to the concerned person. Okay, same thing only for that you have to prepare one report. Okay, the education details, your father, mother, parents details, your educational details, what you have completed, why you have studied. Similarly, in future, what you are going to do, that job, based on that only, you will be repaying that amount. Based on that only, you are going to repay the amount. Suppose if you say, after completing these educations, I am not going to agree, whether the person is interested in your money or not, you will not be interested. You should have some future ideas.